Let's look at another example of scale maps and diagrams. Scale maps and diagrams can also be used to represent very small objects using a larger diagram or a larger model. So let's look at this example. Okay, so the following cube, so I actually built one, just a three-dimensional object here. The following cube represents a single dice, or sometimes we say it's a die if it's a single dice. It represents a single dice in the scale 7 to 1. Notice that the first number is not a 1 like example 1. The first number is a 7. Second number is a 1. That means then that for every 7 centimeters in the model or on the model represents 1 centimeter in reality. Okay, so the actual object we're looking at really is actually quite small, but this is just a larger model of something that's actually miniature. Find the dimensions of the dice in real life. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll obviously need to measure the dimensions of this object. Okay, of these dice, again, use a ruler, and we're just going to estimate it. Okay, so it's around 7 centimeters. Okay, being a cube, obviously all the dimensions are identical. So the model, okay, I might just, okay. Okay, so the side length of the model is 7 centimeters. Okay, in reality, okay, we take the model dimensions, so that's going to be the edge length here, which is 7 centimeters, and we're actually going to divide it by the scale. Instead of multiplying it by a number to make it bigger, we're actually going to divide it now by 7, because every 7 centimeters, okay, on the model represents 1 centimeter in reality. Okay, so 7 divided by 7, okay, sorry, is equal to 1. Therefore, the side length of the dice is, out of the way, is 1 centimeter. So if I was to draw that, it would probably be fairly small. Okay, so that would be the actual real life die or dice versus the larger model.